जी का, राहुल जी का, प्रियंका जी का हृदय से धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि मेरे जैसे छोटे कार्यकर्ता को इतनी बड़ी जो उनकी पारिवारिक सीट है उसकी जिम्मेवारी मेरे को दिया है। मैं यहाँ 40 साल से इस क्षेत्र की सेवा कर रहा हूँ। 1983 में यहाँ आया था। मैं राजीव जी के साथ अपना कैरियर शुरू किया था। 1983 में राजीव जी मेरे को लेके आए थे। हमने सोनिया जी के सारे इलेक्शन लड़ाए। राजीव जी का सिर्फ 81 का छोड़ दो, उसके बाद के सारे इलेक्शन लड़ाए।
Rahul, no to Amethi, gives ammunition to BJP to term his escapist. Analysis Diganta Guha. If there is fear, there is no one to hear. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's move to contest from Rai Bareli instead of his once upon a time bastion Amethi will only give ammunition to his arch rivals BJP and others to take acerbic jabs at him. BJP candidate from Amethi, Smriti Irani, would now get a leverage to poke fun at the outgoing Wayanad MP, stating he simply ran away from the battlefield. Remember, Rahul lost to Smriti in 2019 and his entry into Lok Sabha was through Kerala's Wayanad. Was Rahul reluctant to fight from Amethi because he had read the writings on the wall that he would have to end up on the losing side? Now, Congress has fielded KL Sharma from Amethi against Smriti, which means the grand old party has already conceded the seat. Sharma is a powerful leader, but certainly not of a stature of a Gandhi. Perhaps Rahul was reluctant because he knew victory in Amethi was never going to be a foregone conclusion. Now, with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra refusing to fight from Rai Bareli, citing her busy schedule, Rahul was the only option in a seat that is also a Gandhi citadel. But citadels are lost as Amethi proved it, yet Rahul's refusal to take on Smriti only smacks of having thrown his hand in despair even before the voting began. Smriti had been campaigning in Amethi, trying to reach out to people and projecting the good work she has done. This clearly implies Rahul is way behind Smriti so far as Amethi is concerned. Rest assured, Rahul Baba will be inundated with criticism and swipes soon, and he will have a lot to answer. Even Priyanka's decision not to contest is also baffling, and the Congress's foe would lap it up and encash it during the campaign. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address supporters in West Bengal on Friday, and he would use it to the hilt to hurl swipes at Rahul and Priyanka. If Rahul can lose Amethi, he may lose Rai Bareli too, where he is up against BJP's Dinesh Pratap Singh. What happens if he loses in Rai Bareli too, like in Amethi in 2019? Sources in Congress say that Rahul turning his back on Amethi has been a disappointment for sure. We all wanted him from here to take on BJP, but he has deserted us, said a Congress source. We are not getting into the dynamics further, but Rahul saying no to Amethi could be a call that many of his India alliance partners would not digest. There would be a huge setback, and this can hamper Rahul's image as well as it could portray him as an escapist. But what happens to Wayanad if Rahul wins in Rai Bareli? Congress has its own calculations, but such strategies are turning out to be a damn squib days after days. Many feel Rahul should have chosen one seat instead of two, unlikely in 2019 when he picked Wayanad. If he wins both, he has to give up one, and that will be ditching his voters. Amethi and Rai Bareli go to the polls on May 20, and it remains to be seen how voters react. But may the best one win.